Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. Want to provide an update on ticker MEGL or Magic Empire Global. This thing is starting to sell off pretty hard here. It had a good pump at the start of regular trading hours here and got all the way up to 249, but has been a fat sell off since then. And it's now trading at $138.64. So in my last update that I made, I was talking about the 176 level here on this 5-minute time frame, and I said that if the sellers were able to drive it below 176 and close it below 176, that it was going to come down and test 160, and we had that right here. So on this nasty bearish engulf candle, this huge candle here, it actually closed below 176. Then it came down here and bounced nicely off of 159. Then it had a pretty decent rally here, but it kind of stalled out at around 226 and a fat sell-off since it made this run up here to 226. So this is pretty typical. This thing was up like 5,000%. I think where it closed after hours yesterday, it was up about 5,000%. So it's kind of typical for stocks that make thousands of percent moves or like a 5,000% move to have a fat sell-off like this and kind of come back to reality. So with this thing making that move below 176 and closing below that, and now actually closing below the 160 level, I'm kind of looking at that 159, 160 level as a key barrier to the upside. If the buyers do start to pump this thing again and this thing does rally, I'll definitely be looking at that 160 level. If the buyers can get it above that level and close it above that level here on the 5-minute time frame, I would see if it would come up and maybe challenge 176 and kind of be looking there to see what happens at that price point. And then to the downside, you can see it rejected the 121 level pretty hard here. This is a big bull engulf candle right now, but this thing's not really moving. So once this thing does start moving again, I'll definitely have my eye down there around the 121. If this thing does sell off to that level, what's going to happen at that level. I think if the sellers can get it below 121 and close it below that level here on the 5-minute time frame, I think this thing's coming down to test this level here of about $88. So I'll continue to keep you updated on ticker MEGL or Magic Empire Global. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.